Hi, so my name is Samuel. I come from Quebec, and this is my boss, the Octobus. Come on up. So welcome to the Octobus. There you go. I'll let you come in, and after that, I'll just close the door.
Don't want the guard to get out.
Yeah. So this is the front cabin. I've got a backup camera here that needs to be closed. So I kept the original front of the bus. So this is all the original stuff that I had in the bus. The only thing I modified is I put a shoe storage here because it was like a wide space that has no purpose. So we've got all our shoes here. Then on this side we've got the cat litter, so we can come from this way, get in the litter, and we've got the solar controller at the back here. So with the solar controller there's more storage, more cat stuff and things like that. This is my wife diffuser for good smells. Yep. That's fine. So after that, if we move forward, I've got my passenger seat here, which is a legal requirement for Quebec laws. So it's a specific seat that comes from a bus company. So that's it. We've got the full-size couch. The full-size couch, that was one of the things I wanted the most in the bus, so I could like lay down like I was in my house and be comfortable. And we've got our little table here. Also, the couch double has a bed, so it just raises up like that.
Oh, nice.
There we go. We got a good sized bed for guests and stuff. There we go. So as you can see, we made like curtains with reflective for the sun of the Arizona desert. So we actually built those, I think, 2 weeks ago. We didn't have anything for that. And we framed the windows with pine woods. It's holding up so far. We love the look it does. So on this side here, we've got our little Pico projector. So we can install the screen with those little things here. And put the screen either in the living room or in the bedroom when we want to listen to a movie. Works great so far. Then, sorry, here. For the kitchen part, so I built the cabinets with my cousin. He owns a kitchen refacing company. So
it's good to have relatives.
Yeah. We had a lot of friends to help out with stuff like that. So we made like custom. We custom order all the pieces and cut them out whatever we needed, because everything is round. So at the bottom of the, I don't know, maybe you can sit here. At the back of the cabinet, we had to cut them, replace the back to go with the round ceiling of the bus. But except that, that's IKEA countertop, and the rest is custom made with Kitchen U-Zone, which is my cousin company. So on this side here, we've got one of the things I always thought it was missing in our RV is the garbage bin and recycle bin. So we could use we don't have like a smallest bin that is like stuck underneath something. So that was made for the RV. We've got huge storage everywhere. We decided to go with a unique fridge here, which is 12 volt. It's a Canadian made company, so we've got, I think there's the different style, but they have good pricing. I actually bought this from Costco. I don't know if they got it in the state, but they got it in Canada.
It's the first one I've seen.
Yeah.
I think I need to get a passport.
So they work fine. I've got the freezer underneath, plenty of storage.
Very nice.
It's I think it's 11 cubic feet. So plenty of space. Yeah. It takes about 52 amps per hour, 52 amps hour per day.
Nice. Yeah. Mine's a 62 quart freezer.
Okay.
Refrigerator, chest freezer.
Yeah, I was hesitating between a chest freezer for the electric economy and things like that. And when we saw this fridge, we loved the look of this thing so much. We said, okay, we're going with this, and we'll just add a panel on top. Right. So for solar power, we've got 4 315 watts, so 1,260 watt total. And we've got 4 6-volt battery, each 435 amp hour. So we've got like 800 amp hour on 12 volts. Right. So plenty of bang, but still in Arizona it works fine. Back where we're in Quebec or British Columbia during the winter, as soon as they're like this much show on it, it doesn't serve any purpose to have solar down. Or you need to clean them every morning and every now and then.
Now, when did you come down?
So we left British Columbia. Well, actually we started in Quebec. We thought we would winter in British Columbia. When we got there, 3 weeks after we got there, it was way too cold already. It was raining or snowing every day, so we said, we need to move. So we went down, I think, early November, maybe.
Did you have any trouble getting across the border?
It was kind of a hard endeavor. We had to ship the bus to a transport company, then take a flight to Seattle, and get the bus on the...
I heard that was the only workround to get buses down from, or anything down from Canada.
Exactly. So it's kind of stressful because the way the company work where we cross, you need to be in the state before they ship the bus, so you need to have your passport stamp. So basically you take a flight and you wait for your bus at the border, but you're not sure it's going to cross over. Right. So if it doesn't cross over, you have to take a flight back and get back to Canada to be able, which it's costly and stupid, but still only way to go. So.
2020.
Yeah. So we salvaged, we bought like a used trailer that 2008, I think. There's a tree that fell on it, so it was damaged beyond repair for a trailer, but all the equipment inside was top shape. Sure. So we bought the trailer, I think it was 500 Canadian. We took all the equipment inside and even sold back the fridge for $1,000. So we actually made money taking the stuff. So that was a good deal.
Always a good deal.
Yeah, so we've got a propane heater here on the back. If I would do the bus over, I would change it to a diesel heater because this takes a lot of gas to heat up, and it's making so much noise. But we got it for free, so why not? Other than that, maybe this here, kind of fun. So I've got all my instruments here. I've got a water pump, the water heater, the inverter charger here that I can control, which is under the bus, and the tank monitor, which is in percentage here. So I've got only 25% left of fresh water, and my gray water is 81% full. And I've got also the battery here.
Something I keep on. Someday I'll do it.
Yeah. Yeah, when we built the bus, I was thinking of all the gadget I could put in, so I don't know if we can have a look here, but I've got like USB ports everywhere in the bus. I think I got 6 of those, and there are 3 amps, so they charge really fast. I've got one here too for the projector, and everything is 12 volt in the bus except like my laptop or charger.
Same with mine. Everything's 12 volt, and I use a car charger for my laptop.
For your laptop, yeah, why not? Instead of getting the whole...
It makes no sense to me to save it as 12, turn it to 110,
and getting back to
plug a charger in that for a phone that makes it 5.
Yeah, no sense.
You know, so.
Yeah, a lot of lost energy there. So yeah, everything pretty much. We have like 4 AC plug around the bus, like blender, charger and things like that, but otherwise, love it. So one thing I love about the bus that we didn't show anybody else is like this thing, there's a wheel well that is hidden underneath there. Right. But still we made the doors go all the way down, so it doesn't look there's something else here. Right. So we kind of hid the bus
it's a good
wheel
idea.
well to the back. So.
Wish I'd thought of that in my last build.
So yeah, we've got a kitchen sink. It's still granite. I think it doesn't scratch at all, but it's way too big. I wanted like something big to lay down stuff inside, but it actually takes way too much water to just like get 2 inches of water inside. Right. So, but still,
You can always put a dish pan in.
Yeah, and do the dishes.
Do the dishes in the pan and then rinse off next to it. And
we had not really much trouble finding water around, so I think we got 100 gallons of fresh water under the bed and 100 gallons of gray water. Maybe I would go for something smaller if I would do it again, but we last about 5 to 7 days with 100 gallons, me and my girlfriends. So we use kind of a lot of water. Yeah, but anyway, we move every 5 or 7 days anyway, so it's kind of easy to find water somewhere.
I've got 42, lasts me a week and a half, 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah. I know everybody tells me like we're big water consumer, but my girlfriend loves to clean, so I think she takes a lot more water from the sink that we actually take from the shower or everything else. So she's always like cleaning stuff around.
It's okay.
That's fine. We find it's easy to find water. If we couldn't find water, we would like have to change our way of doing things.
And here's nice is because you can go down a laundromat mall, $2, any size tank.
And
you know, it costs $2 to fill your 100 gallons, $2 to fill my 40 gallons, $2 for somebody with a 20-gallon tank.
Yeah. So anyway, it's been it's been okay.
Yeah, you find parks.
Yeah,
you can do it for free.
Yeah, and even rest stuff has water sometimes. And
yep.
So we've got our our full clothes thing. I think we haven't wore in 4 months half of this stuff. So I would probably bring a lot less stuff with me next time, but still.
You'll have to stop over and see my bus, and my closet's half the size it was when I started.
Yeah, probably.
And most of the stuff in there, I still don't wear, but it's some fleece jackets from events and associations I went to.
Okay.
I really want to keep those.
So here we've got like more storage, more things for clothes, like socks and things like that, and we had also to bring like clothes for winter and summer at the same time, so we've got like a bin full of boots and things underneath, and mittens, and so that takes a kind of space too. We've got a dimmer for the LED lights on top here, and the controller for the heater.
Sure.
Here we've got we bought the composting what's the name again, Nature's Head. Composting toilet. We love it so far. It's really expensive, but it does its job. So I didn't want to have to make one myself. We were at the end of the build and I was kind of tired of doing this. We made the build I bought the bus on my birthday, the 13th of March.
Okay.
Then we finished the build in October, so it took us 6 months full time to build the bus. 2 months and a half just for the exterior. Because we removed like all the reinforcement bar, weld the holes, cut them, sand them, and did the whole paint job over it. So that was kind of a big thing. The only modified thing we did about the Nature's Head, we instead of having like a little bin here for the urine, we send it straight to a black water tank. So it doesn't have any poo inside, but all the pee is going in the black water tank. I think we've got like 40 gallons. Probably 2 months and a half worth of pee. So
I like that you also have this sliding curtain to separate the bathroom from out here.
Yeah, so even there's a lot of windows in the bus, so you don't feel like private if you still keep the
even though you've got the wrap and nobody can really see in, but still you see people around and you say, oh, is he watching me or not? So yeah, we love this collapsible door. So we went with a full-size shower here. It was actually almost the same price like buying just the shower pan or buying the whole thing. So we said we don't want any leak, but just put the whole shower inside. Sure. I cut out the back so it fits in the curve. And it's been working fine. It's actually the first thing I put in the bus because it was so tall. So I had to put it before the flooring and before the ceiling to be able to cap it on the right side. So here we got a fantastic fan just to remove the humidity straight from the shower. Works great. On this side we've got more storage for like the toilet paper here. Oh, you're rich.
Hidden in the wall, yeah. And a little cabinet that we took from the trailer actually. Here, let me light the lights on. Let's open this up. All right.
Whoops.
So,
Yeah.
here's the bedroom. So we've got a full king-size bed here. That's actually what we had in our apartment, so we didn't want to buy a new mattress. So it's
right.
We have place. Let's fit this. It can't go out right now anymore, but still, if I need to buy a new one, I'll buy like something that unwrap and unfolds.
Yeah, it inflates itself. yeah.
So on this side here, we've got the dirty clothes bin for the laundry. So it's just like a bag. You can remove it from this side. And a little bit more, a closet here for the everything that is not like winter clothes, I guess. We've got here a heat pump. So it makes a air conditioner, it makes a heater, and it makes a dehumidifier at the same time. And it runs on my solar tube. So we actually used it quite a bit in those last days when we wanted to like take a nap in the afternoon or something like that, or the cat gets too hot.
And surprisingly, we're in February and it's 80 degrees, 84.
So yeah, it takes a lot of juice still, but we could work with it when it's sunny, so
right.
Works great.
Yeah, you run it when the sun's up.
Yeah, it's when it's hot actually, so.
Well, if somebody wanted to contact you for ask questions or anything, do you have any social media contacts? Or
yeah, actually we have a Facebook page named the Octobus, and the Instagram page for the.octobus. So we don't have any YouTube or TikTok or anything, but still, my girlfriend has a lot of fun on the social media, so she's posting all kind of stuff we see, or even like the cat has his own fans. Yeah, we've been living in the bus for 4 months now, and we feel at home everywhere. We love the way the bus life so far.
Well, thank you for the tour.
No problem.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Right? See you next time, YouTube. Bye.